Hey, I'm Patricia, your rideshare angel. And I know today we have so many questions going across our mind. And so I thought, why don't we do a Q&A? So, what is the first question? Hey, rideshare angel, is it safe to drive for Uber and Lyft now? Yes and no. Yes, meaning because to date, I've been driving and I haven't had any problems as long as we wear a mask properly and hand sanitize and wipe the car down. I say no because we still are not 6 feet apart, and just because it's been okay so far doesn't mean that it is okay. The numbers continue to go up, so therefore anywhere I go, whether it's the grocery store or whether it's driving for Uber and Lyft, we're all at risk until we figure out and find out more about this disease. So, unfortunately, if your unemployment, the extra $600 is no longer available, and you have to do what you have to do. So, what you have to do is just be protected and be safe. Hey, rideshare angel, wait a minute. I heard that Trump trumped Congress and told them, like, oh, y'all not making no plans? Okay, cool. Well, you know what we're going to do? I'm going to just sign a bill. So, did he really sign a bill? How much am I going to get? Am I going to get unemployment? When? Where? How much? When is it scheduled to come? I need it. Show me the money. Calm down. I would say, yes, Trump did trump Congress by saying that he's signing an executive order and that he's going to approve unemployment. He cut it from 600 to 400. He didn't mention anything about a stimulus package. He mentioned about payroll tax. Really doesn't have anything to do with you, Uber and Lyft. And he mentioned some other things. He also, threw the Democrats under the bus and saying that they got some crazy demands on the table. And, of course, he always just bigs himself up. So with that being said, yes, he did trump Congress, but he really didn't trump them too much, because although he's signing bills and memorandums, it's pretty much still up to Congress, who is really legally able to approve the federal funding. Trump, of course, executive orders, and as being the president, do he really have the right to do that? That's what's still up in the air. So I wouldn't be banking on any $400. The first reason why is because, once again, Trump liked to throw things out very loosely. So he mentioned, yes, he got a stimulus, he's going to do the unemployment of $400, but he didn't tell you for how long. And he didn't tell you also that really he only wants the federal government to give $300, and he wants the local states, the states to put in the extra 25%, which is probably about the other $100. Okay, so again, he approved $400, unemployment, no time limit, didn't say to January 21st, didn't say if he was going to retro pay us, didn't say anything. So he just pretty much said, hey, forget y'all, Congress, I'm going to sign it, and that's it. So yes, that's a Trump move. And I think on one end kind of showed that he had some balls and really put the Congress back up against the wall, made them come out from vacation and have to figure something out, because he's making everybody mad on both ends. And normally when people get mad, they tend to start to figure out how to make things better. It's sad that, again, they're coming just to the table now to talk about things, and it's sad that they're really not agreeing while so many people are suffering. So it's kind of like politics versus the pandemic right now, and may the best win. Hey, rideshare angel, did Congress really go on vacation and leave millions of unemployed people still wondering if they're going to receive their stimulus package or their unemployment extended benefits? Really? Who does that? Yes, it does appear that Congress packed their bags and went on vacation. I wonder if Nancy and Mitch kind of vacationing together. It's just a joke. But yes, they did go on vacation while millions of people are unemployed just said they were going away. They don't care. Oh well. Please, 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 Congress, come back. I really need for the Democrats and the Republicans to sit at the table and work this thing out for the people, okay? We all in this together. To my fellow Uber drivers that are out there driving now, or to the ones that are thinking about getting out there to drive or do deliveries, I do want to inform you that Uber has announced that they have the COVID-19 financial assistance. You can find that information on the Uber drivers app, and they'll be able to compensate you. You will qualify as long as you probably some other things as relates to the doctor's notes and so forth, but it has a documented that as long as you do a delivery or a passenger pickup within 30 days prior to your application. As it relates to what's going on with our stimulus package and our unemployment and executive orders and all of that stuff, we just need to wait. Only time's going to tell as it relates to if what Trump is trying to do with the executive order, if that's legal and if that's going to go forth, or if we're just going to kind of wait to see if what Trump did is going to now make the Democrats and the Republicans really come together and come up with the deal sooner than later. So again, we can only wait for that. Like always, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. Your subscriptions really help with the growing of my channel. The more you subscribe, the more you like, and the more you view, it helps other people be able to view it. And that's my whole goal, is to share this information with others, because some of us just don't know. And there's so much information, sometimes you just need it broken down in some fun way, in some layman terms. So, like always, thank you for your support. Please subscribe, thumbs up. Bye.